Thanks for checking out Map Syndicate. This is my YouTube channel where I'm going to talk to you about 7 freedom hacking tricks with the ultimate income blueprint. If you're new to this channel, my name is Charles Draven. I operate a wide variety of websites and YouTube channels, and I've been doing business for over 10 years. So hopefully you'll be able to get some hacking tricks so you can make some income online. So if you are on this channel, I'm sure that you are looking for a way to build up your dream income. It might be something just to even supplement what you're doing or even replace it. And that's where you can escape the ordinary. And if you're like me, you're not into the robotic routine that so many people do because there's something else out there. Imagine a life where you control your time and build wealth on your own terms. With the right approach, you can create a money-making venture that generates income while you sleep. Let's talk about this because I'm sure that what I mentioned raises a bunch of questions, and I want to dive into this so you have an understanding of this. And I'll also tell you up front that this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. And hopefully by the end of this, you'll have a better idea of how you can build your dream income. So what I'm talking about here is a special type of affiliate marketing. If you're new to affiliate marketing, it's a way to refer people to products or services and earn commission. There's nothing wrong with that. It's pretty much like, just to give you some background, just about any popular product out there, people can recommend and earn an income. Some of the top e-commerce stores in the world, they offer a program where you could just sign up, you create a relationship, you sign an agreement digitally, and then this agreement will talk about how much you could possibly earn and provide you with the tools and resources to promote their products and services. So again, many of the top stores, especially here in the United States, in the nation, use this process to help scale their business by allowing others to promote their products and earn commission. That's something that I know a lot of my friends don't know about. It's something that I'm sure a lot of a lot of other people don't know that so many of the top companies in the world do this. But what I want to talk to you about is what is so special about this. Because you don't need to create your own products. You don't need to hire some special developer. You don't need to buy inventory. Instead, you're promoting existing products and services, earning commission on each sale. That is one of the simple models that's used in affiliate marketing. And this allows you to establish revenue streams without the headaches of product development. And here's a solution. It's an all-in-one solution, and I'll be upfront with you. I am an affiliate of the system. I do promote this, and it's called Master Affiliate Profits, also known as MAP. It was created by digital marketing experts Omar and Melinda Martin and John Thornhill. They provide tools and training to scale your success in affiliate marketing. And with over 15 years of experience, they've helped countless individuals establish cash flow online. So you could learn from these people that have been around for well over a decade and have developed multiple proven business models, have created millions online, and you learn from what they have done. And just doing that, I believe it's the shortcut for you to just learn and do. You don't need to do a lot of the guesswork. They have done it, and they have done it time and time again. So you skip the hard stuff. No product creation needed. And you don't need to even think about creating your own products. That is, of course, your choice. It's an option. And this saves you valuable time and resources, allowing you to focus on what matters most, generating income. And you can start earning commissions right away without the hassle of product development. And I'll just tell you, it's not just about creating a product. You have to do a lot of research, market testing. And when you're even spending money on advertising just to see if a product will actually profit, it will cost you a lot of money if you're just doing it from scratch. So the big advantage here is that you could save a lot of time and money because this is something that is proven to work. And you could use done for you traffic. People that have used this platinum level of map, that is an option where they get done for you traffic. It is something that allows you to use something called a traffic rotator. They pretty much split the traffic across all the platinum members that have upgraded. And this means that potential customers are delivered right to you, helping you boost your income faster. Lifetime commissions, earn while you sleep. Imagine earning money from a single sale for years to come. Map offers lifetime commissions, meaning you get paid every time a referral makes a purchase, even years later. And there's also a recurring element to it. Not everything is recurring, so you have both parts, recurring and non-recurring. But the thing is that the people who become customers, they are hard-coded with your affiliate ID. So if they make purchases through the ecosystem, months or years later, you can still earn commissions. And this is what is extremely different compared to the top affiliate networks and programs out there, is that many of those other ones, you do not earn commissions when somebody goes back to that shop and buys again. You get zip, you get nothing. That is the typical situation. That is unlike this scenario with Map where you do earn commissions. Two-tier commissions. This is for platinum members where you multiply your assets by earning commissions not only from your own referrals, but from also your direct referrals. I want to emphasize direct. This allows you to scale your success exponentially and strengthen your portfolio. Organic marketing, free and effective strategies. Forget about expensive paid ads. They do work, but if you're just getting started, I highly recommend organic methods, especially the ones taught in MAP, and that will help you create lasting value without breaking the bank. These strategies are sustainable and help you cultivate financial growth over time. And most of the people that go into affiliate marketing, they'll teach two different core strategies. Either you pay for traffic or you build it on your own. And of course, when you build it on your own, you got to put some effort into it. If you are paying for traffic, it's just more of trading your money for traffic, getting people to your offer. So what I'm talking about here is that if you are on a tight budget, you can just focus on organic, and Map will teach you how to do that or the other paid method if you want. And it's up to you. But I highly recommend, if you're just getting started, to try out organic marketing methods. And you learn from pros from over 15 years of experience. These creators have talked about them since the beginning. Just learning proven strategies alone will help you increase your earnings and develop financial freedom, because you get to bypass a lot of the common pitfalls. You can go ahead and start building your business and learning from, to me, some of the top leaders in this industry. So take control of your future, start building wealth today. And if you are ready, Map provides the tools and training you need to succeed in affiliate marketing. You could start your journey towards financial freedom today and compound your gains. And I say compound because the efforts that you take right now can have an extreme pivotal kind of time in your life to actually create some momentum and create some large gains in the future. So again, think about compounding. If you have ever gone into investing, it's kind of like that. You start off small, and as you are consistent in your efforts, it builds up over time, and it builds up like a snowball. So you want to start as early as you can. And if you want to learn more about this simple way to generate income online, check out my free PDF. Click the link in my description to get started right now. And if you're on YouTube, just scroll down, go to the description, check out the first link, and you'll be able to get access to this free PDF. Thanks for watching. This is Charles Draven. Take care.